How to use TikTok Live Gift feature. To use the TikTok Live Gift feature, first things first, you simply have to go ahead and then launch the TikTok application onto your device. Now, once you open it, you simply have to go ahead and tap on the live option from the top left corner to access the live panel or the TikTok Live. You should be able to find all sorts of contents that are ongoing or in live. Now, once you find the exact creator that you want to give to, you simply have to tap on this present like icon from the bottom right navigation bar. Then select your desired gift over here and tap send. You simply have to now go ahead and select any of these options to purchase the TikTok coins. Then tap send. Now you simply have to go ahead and tap recharge and then fill in your payment details over here. And once you pay the amount, you should be able to give the creator. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.